Hi dear students, let us solve 21st. Let us see the 21st question of Science MCQ SSLC. So the 21st question is like this. In terms of acidic strength, which one of the following is in the correct increasing order? Option A, water lesser than acetic acid lesser than hydrochloric acid. So among these four, the correct answer is option A, water. Water has less acidic strength than acetic acid. Acetic acid has less acidic strength than hydrochloric acid. So increasing order. Hydrochloric acid has the highest acidic strength among these two. Therefore, water lesser than acetic acid, less than hydrochloric acid. Like this, we have to know about the 21st question. Then coming to 22nd question, when copper oxide and dilute hydrochloric acid react, color changes to dash white, bluish green, blue black and black. And now the correct answer is bluish green. So when copper oxide reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, so the color will changes to bluish green. So bluish green is the option, that is B is the answer. Then coming to 23rd, nonmetals form covalent chlorides because dash. Option A, they can give electrons to chlorine, they can share electrons with chlorine, they can give electrons to chlorine atoms to form chloride ion, they cannot share electron with the chloride atoms. So the correct option is, that is non-metal form covalent chloride because, so option is that is we can they can share electrons with chlorine. The correct answer is they can share electrons with chlorine. So option B is the right answer. They share electrons with the chlorine. Then coming to 24th question. So the 24th question is like this. Which of the following statement are correct of carbon compounds? Option A. Most carbon compounds are good conductor of electricity. Most carbon compounds are poor conductor of electricity. Force of attraction between molecules of carbon compound is not very strong. Force of attraction between molecules of carbon compounds is very strong. So among these four options, option B is the right answer, that is second and third. So what is the second option? What is there? So most of the carbon compounds are poor conductor of electricity is the right answer. Then force of attraction between molecules of carbon compounds is very strong. So this is also right answer. So option B, second and third. So second and third is the force of attraction between molecules of carbon compounds is not very strong. Sorry. So option 2 and 3. That is here option B is the right answer. So what is the first one? Most of the carbon compounds are poor conductor of electricity is correct. Then force of attraction between molecules of carbon compound is not very strong. So these two are the correct answer for this question. Then name the functional group present in CH3CO COCH3. CH3COCH3. So what is the functional group present here? So since CO is there, it belongs to a group called ketone. So therefore option C, here CO is there. So CO ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕೀಟೋನೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Therefore the correct answer is option C, ketone. Then coming to 26th question, why does carbon compounds mainly by covalent bonding? So carbon compoundಗಳು ಯಾಕೆ covalent bond ಅನ್ನು formation ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳುತ್ತೆ? There are 4 electrons in the outermost shell of carbon. Then it requires a large amount of energy to form C4 plus and C minus 4. It shares the valence electron to complete its octet and all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above is the right answer. So all the three also correct. Therefore option D, all of the above is the right answer. Now let us move for that is 27th question. So in Mendel's periodic table, gaps were left for elements to be discovered later. Which of the following elements found a place in the periodic table later? Chlorine, silicon, oxygen, germanium. So the correct answer is germanium. So that is called germanium. That is so we have given the name Eka silicon, which is the Eka silicon. Eka silicon is germanium. So that germanium is in Mendel's periodic table, the gaps were left for the elements to be discovered later. Which of the following element found a place in the periodic table later? That is germanium. Then coming to 28th question. So in the 28th question, which of these belong to the same period? Element A 2 atomic number, element B atomic number 10, element C atomic number 5. So among these, so option A comma B, option B comma C, option C comma A, and option D B C. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the number of, that is period. To which period does it belongs? So now let us find out to which period does it belongs. So he has given atomic number A as 2, atomic number of B as what is the atomic number of B is given 10, atomic number of B is 10, and atomic number of C is 5. Atomic number of C is 5. So atomic number he has given. So now using atomic number, let us find out the to which period does it belongs. Then this 2 can be written as let us divide into, let us write these electrons in shells K L M N, K L M N. So atomic number 2, so 2, only one shell is there. Then coming to B, so B 10 is atomic number 10 is there, therefore 2 comma 8. How many shells are there? 2 shells. Then coming to that is C, so that is C element has atomic number 5, so 2 comma 3. Now you observe in B and C 2 shells are there. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೆಲ್ಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೆಲ್ಸ್ ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್. ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎರಡು ಶೆಲ್ಲು, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಎರಡು ಶೆಲ್ಲು ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ 2 ಶೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ. Both B and C element, they belongs to second group, second period. Now let us go for 29th question. Hemoglobin levels in the blood samples of two persons A and B are found to be 9 gram per deciliter and 13 gram per deciliter respectively. Which statement is true with respect to amount of oxygen supply in their blood? Option A, more in person B than in person A, more in person A than in person B, equal in person A and person B. Then equal in no relation between oxygen supply and level of hemoglobin. So what he has asked, hemoglobin level in the blood sample of two persons are given. So A having 9 gram per deciliter and 13 gram per deciliter respectively. Which statement is true with respect to the amount of oxygen supply in their blood? The correct option is option A. That means more in person B, because 13 gram per deciliter. So more in person B than in person A is the right answer for this question. Then coming to 30th question and the last question of this video, transpiration pool accounts for dash he has given. So let us find out what will be the answer for this question. So option A, that is active absorption, option B activate adsorption, Option C, passive absorption. Option D, both A and C. Now let us find out. So transpiration pull accounts for dash. The correct option for this question is that is transpiration pull accounts for active absorption of water and minerals. So that is the right answer, active absorption. So like this we have solved 10 more, we have answered for 10 more MCQs of science SSLC. In the next video let us answer for 10 more questions. Thank you.